Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to convert MOV files to MP4 in iPhone. Let's get started. First things first. You have to open App Store. Once it is opened, click on the bottom right search button. Then search for MP4 converter. Then click on the download button, and the app will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, open the app. Once app is opened, click on Select Video. Then select Recording from your phone. Then click on Done. Then select the output format as MP4. Then click on Start Converting. Then it will start converting. Now your video is successfully converted to MP4 and saved in your gallery. And that's how you convert MOV files into MP4 in your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.